Hey, how you guys doing? It's Phil Cooper with Total Roofing out here in Schererville, Indiana. We're at the project labeled the Founder's House. So this has been a 2-month project and over a year in the making, working with the local building department. We actually stripped 3 layers all off down to the original wood, and Kyle, who's on camera, actually pulled photos highlighting what it looked like. So that's kind of what led to us delaying it a bit, because we're actually going to be adding shutters that emulate what once was there.
My name is Tom Milanowski. I'm involved with the Historical Society of the town of Schererville.
My name is Chad Nondorf. I'm the Public Works Director for the town for the last 3 years, and I was a utility foreman for 17 years.
The town of Schererville purchased a house in 2015. This house was the Scherer house.
This was the home of the founder of Schererville. His name was Nicholas Scherer.
Which was built in 1867.
It was turned into a 2-flat at some point.
The town purchased it with the intention of making it into the Historical Society for the town. Came in and stripped the inside of the building. Early 2024, the roof was replaced, downspouts were replaced. I got quotes from different vendors. Kind of a tough job because there's 3 layers of siding on this house. The original, the brown one as you see there, vinyl siding over that. A lot of work still needs to be done, but this is step 1, getting it started. The eyebrows and the front door are going to be kept. Everything else on the inside, other than the original structure, has been taken out. Getting a lot of comments from a lot of people in town and saying, oh, I see it's going, it's going. It's a long time coming, we're going to get it done.
This is the original wood door. A local contractor, Calumet Painting and Restoration, they're actually going to be restoring the front entrance as well as the top transom. So this is going to get brought back to life. We're going to keep that just as a historical piece to the property. And then we're going to be putting a Anderson storm door to help protect it and hopefully keep it for years to come. Cool thing, you'll see these eyebrows right above. These are the original. We did the best we can with maintaining the integrity of what was there just by sanding, updating, and doing another exterior coat with a light gray to give it some accent. The product that you see here is not the original cedar. This is actually LP Smart Side. It's an engineered siding. Swatches of wood, and they put zinc borate chemical to help prevent kind of the decay and termites that are common with your cedar woods. And then this is a snowscape white. This is their standard white. They actually do an impression on it to give you that wood grain appearance, which we think brings back the original appearance that once was.
Thick and look how it's held up
Well,
all these years.
once the house wrap goes on and we get the walls insulated, we should be pretty energy efficient.
Oh
here.
yeah, oh yeah.
And you guys been great to work with. I mean, you donated the windows. I mean, the work is really, really good.
There was a lot of talk originally about stripping the first 2 layers of siding and trying to keep the original siding. We didn't know what we were going to run into, so we tried to stay as close as we could with the wooden siding that's going on, which is looks real nice. TRC was very helpful in this whole project. They donated the windows, they helped pick out the siding. You need to give a little bit of a shout out to Beauty Guard. They got all the material for us. Mark Pfeiffer is an old-time Schererville resident. He was real excited about the project, so Mark helped us a lot.
We really wanted to preserve elements that we could, right? So the windows, you'll see the grids from Anderson. Let's make it all come back to life. So you'll see the original style grid pattern, but also that's over a 150-year-old door. It's not practical for the in and out of visitors. So we actually installed an ADA style door. When they have tours or schools, it's a little more approachable for people to visit. This is all updated to a 36-inch door, and it's actually wheelchair accessible and things like that. Another thing, this is the original deck. The big thing with any LP or premium siding are your flashings, water remediation. We got our siding off the ground to avoid ground contact here, custom flashing, but to do a custom flashing into an old deck, we thought that may lead to issues. So our foreman, Efron, on that, we considered, hey, let's do a composite on the perimeter. This is a TimberTech deck system, and we picture framed the original paneling. Whether this gets restored, sanded, and painted down the road, this is actually one of the original parts of the house. So you're literally walking into kind of history. But the outside is pretty well protected with a 50-year warranty by the manufacturer. Fantastic product if you are considering a premium siding that maintains some of that original wood look as well.
It's going to take a while, but the plan for the future is to turn this into the historical society for the town of Schererville. People can come in and take a look and see what we have. We're already getting donations of old stuff from people, but we're not even close to that. Structural work, there's plumbing, there's quite a bit of work to do. So it's going to take some time, but it started, and that's the big deal.